What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to sign up to become an Amazon affiliate so you can start making money with Amazon. Here I have the Amazon.com page open, homepage. If I scroll down to the bottom, to the very bottom here you'll see make money with us option, and you want to click on become an affiliate here. Click on it. And here you have the option to sign up to the affiliate program. Click on sign up. It might ask you to sign into your account. If so, go ahead and sign in. And you'll be redirected to this web page here. So if you scroll down, you can check your information here, your address, phone number, your name and everything. If these information are correct, you can click next. Here it'll ask you to enter your website, your business or social media account. So I'll go ahead and add, like for example, my website business.com, like anything, just for the sake of this video. I'll click add. Here it's added, as you can see. You can enter your mobile app. Okay, I'll hit next. Here I'll choose no. Click confirm. And now you have to create a profile, like your store name, your store ID, or your business name. Description, tell Amazon about your business. And here choose the type of the business and select where you heard about Amazon affiliate, like you can choose anything. Type in here the confirmation code, the code that's written here to confirm you're not a robot, and then click finish, and Amazon will preview your request and they will get back to you as soon as possible.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.